like so excited about it. Like, ooh, I can't stop looking in the mirror. Like, really, I can't stop looking in the mirror. I feel like, damn, like, ooh, I really transformed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Melaninbanc. Welcome. So for this video, I've decided to take a couple of products from the new Charlotte Tilbury line, which is absolutely fantastic, by the way. This is my first time trying their new line, and I'm so impressed by all the products that I've received and all the products that I've used today. So I'm just like really excited to share all of the stuff with you guys. So basically this selection or this collection kind of gave me a sexy, sultry kind of vibe. So that's the look that I went for today. And I think this is literally it. Like, I feel like such a baddie with this look. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to continue to see more makeup tutorials like this. Yeah, don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried Charlotte Tilbury lines before? Like, let me know. First of all, with the whole thing, the packaging was what really did it for me. Because you guys know I'm literally like a packaging snob. I love packaging. That's obviously the first thing you see, so that's what makes you want to buy the product, I think. Throughout the entire collection, every single piece is just so beautiful. It's so elegant and so sophisticated at the same time. Like, literally, how could you not fall in love with the products after looking at the packaging? So I was just like very, very, very excited to try it. And then once I started trying everything and the application, literally just everything, I'm blown away. I really am. Even the highlight, I feel like that's what really blew me away, because I never usually go for a highlight of this shade. It is more of an orange tone, gold bronzy highlight, but I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. I usually go for a more yellow tone highlight, but I'm really excited I actually tried it because I wasn't gonna put it on. So yes, I know I've said a few things about the products, but I just can't get enough of how amazing they each are individually. And as a collection, I'm just very, very, very shocked, but in a very exciting way. So I'm super excited to see what she continues to bring with her new collections as well. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi you guys, so we're just gonna start off with Charlotte's Magic Cream, and this is the Treat and Transform Moisturizer with collagen boosting anti-aging ingredients. After that, we're gonna go ahead and grab our primer. This is the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash Primer, and it instantly gives you a soft, natural glow to the skin. Please ignore my raggedy ass brush. But we're just gonna move into the regular programming, foundation, concealer, contour, and just using some of my favorite products. This is the Luxury color-coded eyeshadow palette by Charlotte Tilbury, and this is literally the perfect palette for doing a smoky eye or a soft, sexy, sultry look, which is something that I'm trying to achieve today. liner game on fleek. Know why? Because I got my feline flick. Yo, sign me right now. So I'm currently obsessing over the Cheek to Chic Swish and Plop blusher from Charlotte Tilbury, of course. The shade is in Ecstasy. Here comes the highlight I was telling y'all about. So this is actually the Film Star Bronze and Glow palette, and yeah, it does come with a bronzer set as well in the shade Medium Dark. I'm so sad that it broke and I could not find a sharpener to save my life. But I knew that that would have been the perfect shade for the lipstick because the lipstick is the Matte Revolution, and it's also in the shade Pillow Talk as the lip pencil. But I'm kind of glad that I had to use Mahogany because it came out with a ombre style, which I'm happy about. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click that button on the screen right there. You know the deal. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.